try it, baby. You have to be shy. Don't be shy. You seem to be on your own, and I'm wondering why. Wondering why. Show me all that you got. Do it for me. Do it for me. I love you right.
To teach is to touch lives. Good morning, class. Warm greetings to our guests, judges, teachers, parents, and fellow learners. And I'm Amara Lorraine S. Zapadilla, very proud and honored to represent Grade 2 Mingo!
Benjamin Franklin said, "Tell me, and I learn, and I forget. Teach me, and I remember. Involve me, and I learn." Good morning, class! I am Sir John Eros de Monapri, the class advisor of Grade 2 Mingo. Handa na ba kayo matuto?
Thank you so much, contestant from Grade 2. Another contestant from KS1, Grade 2.
It tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she can't stop your diet, baby. You don't have to slim down now. Slim down. I love your curves and your it is every pound. Every pound. Stop your diet, come on.
A teacher is the light that guides the path of knowledge. Hello everyone, my name is D.F. Pionero D. Navarro from Grade 2 Mango. Ang pinakamahusay na guro ay nagtuturo mula sa puso, hindi sa aklatan. Ako po si Elias Jr. C. Francisco, ang Little Lies ng Grade 2 Mango.
Thank you so much.